For us, because first league we won here, we got 9 points in the first league, and towards going towards the Hong Kong, it's very important, and it's going to be tough for us because every team wants to beat us, and it's very important because of our goal we set for ourselves. We want to get the ODI status, and we want to qualify for the ODI World Cup, and this is going to be tough for us, and everyone know, and we are preparing for it. They will stick with the basic things the way they want it. I feel like this whole group is talented, and they know what they have to do. They know their roles, and just say, as a captain, I'll say just stick with the basic and do what you know, what you are skilled and what you are capable of. They will stick with the basic things the way they want it. I feel like this whole group is talented, and they know what they have to do. They know their roles, and just say, as a captain, I'll say just stick with the basic and do what you know, what you are skilled and what you are capable of. As you know that Cyrus Kakuri is coming, and Joseph Bogoma is in. Those are two youngsters, and they are our future of Ugandan cricket. That's what we want. We want to give chances to the younger boys and get some experience, and they are asset for our future.
Hello, I'm Craig Williams. I'm the coaching consultant here for the Uganda men's national cricket team. We're preparing to leave for Hong Kong on the 25th of January for Challenge League B, the second leg. The preparation's gone extremely well, let's say the last 2 weeks. Boys have been putting in a lot of hard work. The batting unit, I must say, I'm quite impressed. They've come together nicely. The bowling unit as well. So we've been trying to get a whole lot of loads in for the bodies, after quite a, let's say, 2-3 week holiday break. But otherwise, I'm extremely happy with the progress so far, and looking forward to flying.
I'm Abhay Sharma, head coach of Uganda cricket team, national team. We are really looking forward for the good tournament, which is going to start in fortnight's time. And boys are preparing really nicely. The all skills part has been covered nicely so far, and the way we are planning, the way we are preparing, I'm really looking forward for better days to come. So as far as batting is concerned, we are really looking forward to whatever skill levels we have introduced this time, because Hong Kong conditions will be different. So we are trying to create that kind of scenarios and situations where they can be come in fortnight's time. So the boys are at the moment. The boys are in very good shape. Skill wise, they're looking good. Bowling wise, batting wise, and fielding wise, they're in good shape. And the most important part as a coach for me is plan, preparation, and implementation. At the moment, the implementation part is little away, but at the moment, planning and preparation is going in a very good way. There are a lot of support staff which is helping. They are working really hard, and everything has been taken care of really nicely as far as skills and other things are concerned. Tomorrow is the last day. We will be in Uganda for our preparation, so we divided into two groups. Our bowlers are on complete break as far as skill is concerned. They will go into gym for strength work. Batters will be here in Entebbe for a batting session. So we are trying to bifurcate most of the time according to the skill, according to the workloads also.